So it's now time to make your first amigurumi together, and it will be this cute little turtle, or this cute little turtle, or this cute turtle, or this cute... I made an army. Aww. This is a very nice pattern to start with because it comprehends many different stitches and techniques. So if you take confidence with this, then you shouldn't have problems with all my other patterns either. In this playlist you find a step-by-step tutorial. However, if you are a complete beginner, I would not advise you to start directly with this unless you have serious trouble sleeping. You will see why. I would advise you instead to go to my basic stitches playlist, have a look at those, make sure you master or you're at least confident with every single basic stitch, and then once you're done with that, go to my Ravelry profile and download the free pattern for the cute little turtle, and then have a read at the pattern and use the video as a support to try executing it. Once you're done, don't forget to send me a picture of your little turtle. I hope you will have fun, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!